Today we will start the problems based on logarithm. The first problem is domain problems. If this is a logarithm function, we have to find out domain. We know logarithm function is defined if argument is greater than 0. X to the minus 5x plus 6 should be greater than 0. And base should be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. So that is 2. So 2 is always greater than 0 and not equals to 1. So this is valid. Correct? That is base is defined. Correct? Now this thing, we know the wavy curve, so we can solve this one easily. X square minus 5x plus 6, we can factorize x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. We will draw a number line. One factor is 2, 2 is not included, 3 is also not included. Then rightmost side is positive, negative, positive. We want greater than, that means we want both positive portion. Either both will be positive or both will be negative. So we will come x belongs to minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity. This is the domain of this function. Next problem is find the domain of y equals to log x square plus 6x minus 7 with the base x. Now again we know argument should be greater than 0. So x square plus 6x minus 7 should be greater than 0. We can factorize this one. This factor will come out x minus 1 into x plus 6 greater than 0. Again 1 is not included, open bracket, minus 6 also not included, so open bracket, plus minus plus. So which portion come? X belongs to positive portion will come. Correct? That is x belongs to minus 6 to minus infinity to minus 6 union 1 to infinity. But here we have to check base also. Base is what? X. So x should be greater than 0 and x should not be 1. So which portion? In these two, what will take? Intersection. Correct? If I take intersection, x is greater than 0, so that means this is getting cancelled. X greater than 0, x is 1 to infinity, so that means 1 to infinity will come and x should not be 1. That means combined portion if I take this is minus 6, this is 1. So minus 6 to 1 to infinity. So this portion we are writing plus plus. And this is x greater than 0, so that means we are drawing with the different color like 0. So 0 is not included, 6 is not included, 1 is also not included. Correct? 0 will come in between, so 0 is not included, and this I'm taking wrong. So we want greater than 0, that means what? Which portion we want? This portion. X should not be 1, so that means this is open circle only. Correct? Now if I take intersection, so intersection, that means this portion and this portion is what? Common. That means we can say this portion is common in both. So what will come? This portion is 1 to infinity. So what will x belongs to 1 to infinity. 1 is also not included. So answer is 1 to infinity. Next is find the domain of y equals to 2 times log x minus 7 base root x. Correct? To find domain, we will not change anything in the equation. We can't take 2 in the power of x minus 1 power 2. Because we are finding domain, so we have to find out the domain x values as a given expression. Given expression is as it is given. So in this equation we can't say argument should be greater than 0. Argument is x minus 1 should be greater than 0. So x should be what? Greater than 1. And base is root x. So root x should be greater than 0. So we know for x greater than 0, root x is what? Always positive. And we want root x should not be 1. So x should not be 1. Correct? X should be greater than 0. Again we will take, this is 0. 0 is not included. 1 is also not included. So 0 to greater than, this portion will come plus, and 1 to infinity, this portion will come. So combined portion will come out 1 to infinity. X belongs to 1 to infinity. This is the answer. Next thing, we'll take the problems based on the properties. Here we can see log 3 minus x base 2 plus log 1 minus x base 2 equals to 3. So we can use base is same, then we can use what property? Log a m base a plus log n base a, that means base is same, so they are in addition. So what will come? Log m into n base a will come, so product it will come. So here also we can say log 2 product is what? 3 minus x into 1 minus x equals to 3. Now we can take this one, we can convert it into exponent. So 3 minus x into 1 minus x we can write as what? 2 power 3. Correct? Now we can simplify this one. What will come? 3 into 3 minus x minus 3x minus x plus x square equals to what will come? 8. So if I simplify this one, x square, this will come out minus 4x, and this will be in this side, so minus 5 will come. If I simplify this one, what will come? X minus 5 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So what will come? X equals to 5 and x equals to minus 1. If we see, if I put 5 in the expression, 3 minus 5 will come negative. That means it is not defined. So x equals to 5 is not defined. If I put minus 1, so 3 minus 1 it will come out 4 and this will come out 2. That means both are defined. That means x equals to minus 1 is a solution. This is not solution because it is not satisfying the given expression. Clear? Next problem is solve for x. X plus 1 power log x plus 1 equals to 100 bracket x plus 1. So what will take? We will take base 10. Correct? So what will come? Log 10 x plus 1 whole power log x plus 1. Base is 10, we can write as log also. So base is, this one also base is 10 only. Log 100 into x plus 1 in bracket. Correct? So this we can write as log x plus 1. This we can take as in power, we can take in multiplication. Log x plus 1 equals to log 100 plus log x plus 1. Log x plus 1 we can take as t. So this will become t square equals to, this will come log 10 base 10 square plus t, where t equals to log x plus 1. Clear this one? So if I simplify this one, got t square equals to 2 times log 10 base 10 plus t. So this, if we simplify, t square minus t minus 2 equals to 0. If I simplify this one, what will come? T minus 2 into t plus 1 equals to 0. So t equals to 2 and t equals to minus 1. That means log x plus 1 equals to 2. That x plus 1 equals to what? 10 square. So x equals to what? 99. If I take log x plus 1 power minus 1. So x plus 1 equals to what will come? 10 power minus 1. Clear? So x equals to what will come? 1 upon 10 minus 1. So the x equals to what will come? Minus of 9 by 10. So this is the answer. Next problem is solve x. 1 plus log x minus 1 base 2 equals to log 4 base x minus 1. So we will convert all the base in 2. See, in logarithm we have to check the solution of x, because in logarithm all x value is not defined, because in logarithm argument should be greater than 0, base should not be equals to 1 and base should be greater than 0. That we have to check. So every values of x we have to check with the original equation. Original equation is 1 plus log x minus 1 base 2 log 4 base x minus 1. Clear this one? So here we can change all the bases converting into. So 1 we can write log 2 base 2 plus this is as it is log x minus 1 base 2, and this we can write log 4 base 2 then log x minus 1 base 2. This we can take as what? T. Correct? So t equals to what we can take as log x minus 1 base 2. So what will come this one? This one only. 1 plus t equals to, this will come as log 2 base 2 square by t. So this if we simplify, t plus t square and this will come as 2 only. So t square plus t minus 2 equals to 0. So if I simplify this one, t minus t plus 2 into t minus 1 equals to 0. So t equals to minus 2 and t equals to 1. So if I substitute minus 2 equals to log x minus 1 base 2. So this if I simplify, 2 power minus 2 equals to x minus 1. So x equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 power 2 is what? 4. So x equals to what? 5 by 4. And if I put 1 equals to log 2 base x minus 1 equals to, so this becomes 2 power 1 equals to x minus 1. So x equals to what becomes 3. So x equals to 3 and x equals to 5 by 4 is the 2 solution. Next problem is the value of x satisfying the equation x power 3 bracket log x cube minus 2 by 3 log x equals to 100 multiplication 10 power 1 by 3. In this type of problems we will solve the x value. After that x value we will check the given equation whether that equation is satisfy this equation or not. So first we will simplify. First we will take log base as 10. So this we can write as what? Log x whole power will come 3 log x whole cube minus 2 by 3 log x. Correct? Into log 100 into 10 power 1 by 3. So this will come in multiplication. So what you can write? 3 log x whole cube minus 2 by 3 log x bracket close into log x equals to log, this we can write 10 square plus 1 by 3. We can say this property is nothing but what? Log m power n is nothing but n log m. Clear this one? So here we can take log x, we can assume as what? T. So this will come 3 t cube minus 2 by 3 t into t equals to, this will come as what? Same property, we'll use this property only. So this will come 2 plus 1 by 3 log 10. Log 10 is nothing but what? 1. Clear? Now if you multiply, so this will come 3t power 4 minus 2 by 3 t equals to t square equals to 3, we take LCMs, 3 into 2 plus 1. So now if I multiply 3 with this equation, so 9t power 4 minus 2t square equals to 7, where t square we assume as p. So this will come 9p square minus 2p minus 7 equals to 0. 1 will satisfy this equation, so we can say p minus 1 is the factor of this equation. So how to solve? We write 9p square, after we'll write next term as a p form, so that if I take common something, so we will get one factor p minus 1, so we can write as a 9p. So if I take 9p common, so this side will come out p minus 1, this is 9p, but this is given what? Minus 2p. So what we will write? Plus 7p, so that minus 9p plus 7p will become what? Minus 2p. Now next term we will write as minus 7 equals to 0. So if I take plus 7 common, what will become? P minus 1 equals to 0. So in this one p minus 1, if I take common, what will become? 9p plus 7 equals to 0. Here p equals to anything but t square. So what will become? T square equals to 1 or 9t square plus 7 equals to 0. This is not possible. So t equals to what will come? Plus minus 1. So log x equals to what? T, and that is nothing but plus minus 1. So x equals to what will come? 10 power plus minus 1. So x equals to what will come? 1 is 10, other is 1 by 10. These are the two answers. Next problem is evaluate 5 power log 1 by 2 base 1 by 5 plus log 4 divided by root 7 plus root 3 base root 2 plus log 1 divided by 10 plus 2 root 21 base 1 by 2. You will solve these problems using properties. First thing, what we can write is on 5. This log 1 by 5 we can write as 5 power minus 1. 1 by 2 we can write 2 power minus 1 plus log root 2 we can write 2 power 1 by 2. 4 divided by root 7 plus root 3 plus log 1 by 2 again we can write 2 power minus 1. 1 divided by 10 plus 2 root 21. First thing here, properties. First property is nothing but what? This one. Log a power b m power n. So this we can write as what? N divided by a power b. B will come as in denominator. Log m base a. So this property we'll use first in this one. So what will come this one? 5 log, 5, this will come minus 1 and this also minus 1. So this will come minus 1 divided by minus 1 log 2 base 5 plus this again will come what? It will come in terms of denominator. So 1 upon power is what? 1 by 2. So this will come 1 divided by 2 log 4 divided by root 7 plus root 3 and this base is become 2 plus here also base power is what? Minus 1. So this will come 1 upon minus 1. So this will come log base 2 will write 1 plus 10 plus 2 root 21. Clear this one? Now minus 1 getting cancelled. 5 log 5 base 2 plus this 2 will come in what? Numerator. So this will come 2 log 4 divided by root 7 plus root 3 base 2 plus minus 1 will come log 1 divided by 10 plus 2 root 21 base 2. Clear this one? Now here one more property. If I write x log a base y, so a, x and y we can interchange. This is another y log x base a. So both are equal. So we can interchange 5 and 2. So what is going 2 log 5 base 5 plus this 2 we can take in terms of power. So log 2 what will come 4 divided by root 7 plus root 3 whole square minus log 1 divided by 10 plus 2 root 21 base 2. So this will come 2 plus this will be log m minus log n. Base is what? 2. So this will come log m divided by n base 2. So this will come log 2 as it is. 4 divided by root 7 plus root 3 whole square divided by 1 divided by 10 plus 2 root 21. So this will come 2 plus log 2. This we can write a 4 square divided by root 7 plus root 3 whole square into 10 plus 2 root 21 will come. So this will come 2 plus log 2 4 square. If I solve this one, this will come as 7 plus 3 plus 2 root 7 into root 3 into 10 plus 2 root 21. Clear this one? If I see 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 root 7 into root 3 is about root 21. So both are same, so we can get cancelled. What will come? 2 plus log 2 4 square we can write as what? 2 square whole square. So this will come as 2 plus log 2. This come 2 power 4. So 2 plus 4 log 2 base 2. That is nothing but 1. So this come 2 plus 4. This is equals to 6. This is your answer. Process. Prove that log 24 base 2 divided by log 2 base 96 minus log 192 base 2 divided by log 2 base 12 equals to 3. To solve these problems, what we will do? We can write log 2, 12 we can write, 24 we can write 2 into 12. In denominator is there, so this we can convert into numerator if we can change the base and argument. We can write like log a, argument is m, this is equals to 1 upon log, we can write as part a base m. Clear this one? So if I convert this one, what will come? Log 96 will become argument. So 96 we can write as what? 12 into 8, and argument 2 become as base minus log 2 192 we can write as what? 12 into 16, and this you can write log 12 will become argument and 2 will become base equals to 3. So there we will use properties m into n. Log m into n is equals to nothing but what? Log m plus log n. So this will become log 2 base 2 plus log 12 base 2 into log 12 base 2 plus log 8 base 2 minus log 12 base 2 plus log 16 base 2 into log 12 base 2 equals to 3. So this 2 base 2 become 1 plus log 2 base 12 as it is. This one will come out log 12 base 2 as it is, and this is nothing but 2 cube, correct? So this will come 3 log 2 base 2 minus log 2 base 12 and plus this is 16, sorry, 16, this is 16, so this is 16. 16 we can add 2 power 4, so this will come out 4 log 2 base 2 into log 12 base 2 equals to 3. So 1 plus log 12 base 2 as it is, this is 1 log 12 base 2 plus 3 only, this is become 1 minus log 12 base 2 plus this will become 4, this will become 1 log 12 base 2 equals to 3. If now we multiply these two, so what will come? 1 plus log 12 base 2 into log 12 base 2. So what will come? Log 12 base 2 into 1 plus log 12 base 2 plus 3 into this one, so 3 into 1 plus log 12 base 2 minus this we can multiply directly, so what will come? Log 12 base 2 whole square plus 4 log 12 base 2 equals to 3. Then again if you multiply inside, so what will come? Log 12 base 2 plus log 12 base 2 whole square plus 3 log 12 base 2 minus, if I take minus inside, so what will come? Log 12 base 2 whole square plus this will come minus 4 times of log 12 base 2 is equals to 3. So this log 12, this is what? 3 plus 1 4, this is 4 getting cancelled, this also getting cancelled, 3 equals to 3. That's the answer. Next question is modulus of x minus 1 whole power log x whole power 2 minus log x square equals to log modulus of x minus 1 whole power 3. To solve these problems, what we will take? We will take log both side. Log modulus of x minus 1 whole power log x whole square minus log x square equals to log modulus of x minus 1 whole cube. First we will simplify as it is, and after that we will check the x value with the original given equation. So this will come out in terms of multiplication. So log x whole square minus log x square into log modulus of x minus 1. This will come 3 times of log modulus of x minus 1. So first we can say these are getting cancelled. That means what? Log of modulus of x minus 1 is equals to 0 is a one solution. So from there what we have? X minus 1 whole power 10 power 0. So x minus 1 equals to 1. So x equals to 2 is the one solution. So if I put 2, it will satisfy this equation. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 1 power anything is what? 1 only. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So 1 equals to 1. So that means x equals to 2 is a solution. Other solution, how to find out? These two we can take. Log x whole square minus this we can take in multiplication 2 times of log x is equals to 3. Log x we can assume as what? T. So this will come t square minus 2t minus 3 equals to 0. So this will come t minus 3 and t plus 1 is 2 factors. So t equals to 3 and t equals to minus 1 is a factor. We will put t values. So log x equals to what? 3. So x equals to what? 10 power 3 and log x equals to what? Minus 1. So x equals to what? 10 power minus 1. So 10 power 3 and 10 power minus 1, if I check, it will satisfy this equation because this is valid in this equation, correct? So there are 3 solutions. One is 10 power 3, other is 2, another is 10 power minus 1. These are the 3 solutions. This is good problem.